In this box I have a handbag and 2 small leather goods that I'm very excited about, and in a color that's right up my alley. Can you guess what color that is? Want to see what's in the box? Stick around. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags and small goods to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. And one of the perks of subscribing to my channel is you get to see my community post on your YouTube homepage, where I post deals, discount codes, sales, and rare finds related to these beautiful things we love. Let's jump right into this, shall we? I ordered this off Mercari from a seller there, and I got it because it's not available. These colors are not available. Let's see, 2 of the pieces are available, 1 isn't. None of the colors, one of the colors of the, wait, there are 3 colors. I'm sorry, I'm getting so confused here. There are 3 pieces in the box. 2 of the pieces are available on the website. 1 is not. The 3 items are 3 different colors. 1 of the colors is available on the website, the other 2 are not. The piece that's not available is also the color that is, so I could not get any of these directly from the manufacturer. I had to go through a place like Mercari to get them. Does that clear things up? This seller has packaged things with tissue paper here. Looks like it was well done. Oh, there's a little gift. Here we are. It's packaged so nicely. It looks like a little pouch with a note. Let's see what it says. Thank you for supporting my small business. Autumn, thank you so much for shopping with me. I hope you love your new pieces. Enjoy the goodies, Samantha. Well, thank you, Samantha. In here, there are 2 nail files. I'll pass those along because I don't use these. And this little pouch with pine trees. And this actually matches the colors of some of the things that I ordered from her. So that's really nice. What thoughtful little gifts. All right, like I said, there is 1 bag and 2 small goods. So let's start with the small goods. This one here, if you recognize this tissue paper, you may know where these things are from. Here's the first item. This is the small bifold wallet from Portland Leather Goods. And you just open that up. And it's in the color honey. So honey is available on the website, but this piece is not available on the website. So I had to order it third party, and I thought that would be a nice little slim card holder. And then these are both pockets here, as well as the 2 card slots on either side. Honey, by the way, feels so nice. It's very silky smooth. Fabulous. Next up is this piece. Let's unwrap that. And did you happen to catch what it was? It's the Portland Leather Goods Eclipse pouch in the color Anjou. This is pretty smooth but ever so slightly toothy matte leather in this green. It's like a very yellowy olive green. Here it is next to their kiwi color for comparison, so you can see how yellow it is. And kiwi's already pretty yellow. So this has a lot of pull-up, which is the variation in the color of the leather. And it also has some spots on it, like you can see there. This is something that's going to get marks on it. It's got a little spot there. That's a scratch that I don't think I'll be able to buff out. There's a little scratch here. I knew about these from the listing. They were all there, and I knew that that's going to happen with a bag like this, especially if you're using it. It's going to get rubbed on other things. Let's open it up, take that out, and here's the inside of the Anjou. It's very similar to the outside color. Beautiful raw leather in there, gorgeous. And don't you love how much that opens up, but it's not going to let your stuff fall out everywhere. But you can get a good look at what you've got inside. This is beautiful. I'm thinking of getting a bag in this color too. You know how much I love green. And speaking of, in here we have this bag, which is a very different shade of green. This is the mini crossbody bag from Portland Leather Goods, and it's in a very deep green, very dark green, forest green, wouldn't you know. Here's the bottom of the bag, and then the top. This one, I was able to order it with a zipper because that's what she had available. That green interior is much lighter than the outside of the bag, as you can tell. And there it is without all the paper inside, so you can see that beautiful raw leather. Since this is a mini size, there's no pocket at all, but there are D-rings in here so that you can attach the crossbody strap and wear it crossbody. You could also shorten it by about a foot. I have it on the longest length right now, and you could wear it on your shoulder. In fact, let me do that so you can see what it looks like. I think I may be on a mission to collect pieces in all of the Portland Leather Goods greens that I can find. I already have a few, and once I feel like I have enough of a representation, because there are a few greens I don't want, if you can believe it, then I'll do a video comparing all the greens, because some of them are very similar. So I think that'll be really helpful if you are also interested in greens. Okay, here it is on the shortest length, and here it is on the shoulder. So you can see where that lands. They both work really well. The forest leather is pebbled, I think you can see, and it's super duper smushy. And I'll say this, it's very dark, as you can tell. It is not my favorite of the greens that I've seen so far. In fact, perhaps, no, it's not my least favorite. It's definitely a keeper, but of the ones I'm keeping, it's my least favorite. It's a beautiful green, but I do tend to be drawn more toward the olive greens. Those look nice together though. Let's see if that fits. Okay, that one's not gonna fit so much. So I think this is the total eclipse, the larger of the two eclipse sizes. So like if I stand that up, it sticks out here, right? And it won't fit. If I put the bottoms together there, you can see that it's just about the same size as the bottom of the bag, but then it fans out, so it doesn't fit in the bag very well. The smaller eclipse size will fit in here though. And look how well that little pouch matches. How nice. Oh, and I showed you the kiwi. I have eucalyptus right in front of me, so let me give you a really quick comparison. Forest, kiwi, Anjou, and eucalyptus. Aren't those pretty together? In case you're wondering, this is the large or the extra large. It's the biggest one makeup bag. But I have more greens than that, so stay tuned someday for the green comparison video. And that brings us to the end of this unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Let me know which of these pieces you liked the best. Which one do you think you would use the most? Which green is your favorite so far? Or are you just not a green person? In which case, what is wrong with you and what is your favorite color? Hope to see you back here next time, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.